So, demystifying AI, generative AI. That was a very interesting topic this morning, sir. And the whole of School of Business and Technology were in attendance, which was quite impressive, and also a couple of students too. So I wouldn't want to take your time because I know you're a very busy man. So I have these questions, and one of them is going to be you spoke about the phenomena of people being users of generative AI and also them transcending into becoming developers. So how does this tie to people making it as a business? And also, how does this actually envelope the student at the School of Business and Technology at the end?
Well, first of all, thank you for interviewing me, and I always have time to meet with students, so it is a it is my honor to be able to sit here and speak with you. And I did have fun this morning on the topic because it's something that's dear to me. Specifically to your question, I do think that us minorities, like most new phenomena that occur, we always tend to be users, and what that means is that we allow others to dictate our living, to dictate how we use stuff, and we've got to get in a position where we're the ones that are developing, because that development is where the money's at. It's where the wealth at. It's where you can build generational wealth, but it's also where you can educate yourself more on the insights of how AI actually works. So for us, my belief or what I would like to see in the future is that every class within the School of Business and Technology not only has some element of understanding AI, but build upon the resources that are given to you in AI to develop something new.
Speaking of artificial intelligence, AI, you said something during your session. You said it's simply defined as the simulation of human behavior through data collection and also debasing logic alone. So with this, from freshman to junior class to sophomore, how do you think students can imbibe this into their day-to-day life and also being something that's going to help them at the long run and also bring more students into the School of Business and Technology?
Yeah, absolutely. So first of all, data is at the core of everything that we do. And I think one thing that companies or the really successful companies are able to do is collect and manage data. And I think it goes back to the same thing of us being consumers of the data. We've got to take control and collect some of that data ourselves, because once you have the data, then you can figure out what you can do with the data. So the encouragement for our students is to understand data, to truly understand what's the difference between, for example, noise in data versus information, so that you can take that data then and you can transform that data into things that make logical and critical sense, and things that you can use to transform the lives of our community. Because ultimately, that's what it is. How can you make the community better? And we've got to start looking at data as a way that we can make the community better.
Thank you so much, sir. There you have it, demystifying generative AI, the Dean of School of Business and Technology at Huston-Tillotson University. Thank you, everybody.
Well, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.